Welcome class 7 students. Follow today's class for some more problem sums of equations from exercise 20 of the algebra book. So I will do today sum number 14 first from exercise 20. In sum number 14 it is given that the ratio of ages of two persons is 4:7. The ratio of ages of two persons is 4:7 and one of them is greater than the other by 30 years. So here what you have to do is you have to take common, you have to assume something. So you will write let the common ratio be x. Now it has been given that one's age is greater than the other by 7. So one's age is 7x and other is 4x. 7x and 4x are the ages. Therefore, according to the problem, 7x minus 4x is equal to 30. This is the equation. Why this will be the equation? Because it has been told that one of them is greater than the other by 30 years. One's age is greater than the other's age by 30 years. That's why this equation is formed. So 3x equals to 30 or x equals to 30 by 3, that is 10. So 7x is equal to 7 into 10, that is 70 years, and 4x equals to 4 into 10, that is 40 years. What is given in the sum is what is the sum of their ages. Now you have found out the individual ages of two persons. One's age is 70 years, another ages is 40 years. So you can see the gap between the two ages, 70 years and 40 years, is 30 years. That was given here. 70 years minus 40 years is 30 years. That is given over here. So the sum is verified and it is correct, but you are asked to find out the sum of their ages, the sum of the ages of the two. So the sum of their ages will be, the sum of their ages is 70 years plus 40 years, which means 110 years. So this is how you have to solve sum number 14. Next we will move on to the next sum, that is sum number 18. Sum number 18. So I hope you have copied this sum. I am rubbing this sum in order to start the next sum, which is sum number 18. So sum number 18 it is given. Let's see what is given in sum number 18. If 9 is added with 9 times a number, the sum is 10 times the number. If 9 is added with 9 times the number, so let our first assumption will be let the number be x. If now it is given that if 9 is added to 9 times a number, if 9 is added to 9 times a number, that is 9 times a number means x, 9 times x. If 9 is added to 9 times x, the sum that we are getting is 10 times the number, that is 10x. This is the problem. This equation you have to solve. If 9 is added to 9 times a number, if 9 is added with 9 times a number, the sum is coming 10. The sum is coming 10 times the number. Find the number. This is the equation. So we need to solve the equation and evaluate x, or 9 is equal to 10x minus 9x, or x is equal to 9. Simple. The number is 9. 9 plus 9 into 9, 81. 81 plus 9 is 90. Again 10 into 9 is 90. So the sum is solved. It's very easy sum to solve. Next we will solve another sum. Rubbing this board in order to solve the next sum. What is given in the next sum? In the next sum it is given that the present age, the present age of a father is 34 years more than the son. So if son's age is x, let son's age be x. Therefore father's age will be, father's age is 34 years more, son's age is x years, so father's age will be x plus 34 years. This is given in sum number 11. So this is son's age and this is father's age. 12 years ago, father's age was 18 times the son. 12 years ago, that is 12 years before. So x minus 12, from both their ages, 12 will be subtracted because we are telling the story of 12 years before. So both their ages were 12 years less. So 12 years will be subtracted from both. So 12 years ago, father's age was 18 times the son's age. Father's age was 18 times the son's age. So son's age, if I multiply with 18, that will be equal to father's age. This is the equation so formed, and you need to solve the equation. Let's see what will be the equation. This is how you will solve the equation. Now you have to divide 238 by 17 to see 14. It is coming 14 years. X equals to 14 years. So son's age is equal to 14 years. And father's age is equal to 14 plus 34 years. 14 plus 34 means 48 years. Yes, 48 years. This is how you will solve sum number 11. So I hope whatever I have explained you have understood. So till then, goodbye.